Bauxite is used to make bauxite cement, abrasive materials, various compounds used in the ceramic industry and in the chemical industry to make aluminium, a wide range of uses. It can also be pressed into a ball press. Do you know what is the workflow of the bauxite ball press? A bauxite ball press before boot cleaning debris, fixed bolts. After removing the load, the ball press is allowed to start. Bauxite ball press test machine first, with the point method to make the motor pulse rotation, such as no other noise. Normal operation can be started. 3. To the bauxite ball press feeding should ensure that the electric feeder feeding uniform and according to the warehouse pressure. The electric feeder adjustment to the best effect. After the end of each shift, all the materials in the silo of the bauxite ball press shall be used up, and no raw materials shall be left behind to avoid starting with load in the future. Finally, normal stop or emergency stop, as opposed to driving sequence. This is the workflow of the bauxite ball press.